by the end of the video, we'll know about my 3-day water fasting challenge, results, tips, and workout haul. Hello, everyone. I'm back with another exciting vlog update. Today, we're going to dive deep into my recent 3-day water fasting challenge. I was inspired by the positive effects I've seen from my 5-day water fast last year, so I decided to push myself even further this time. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Day 1. It wasn't the easiest day, with a headache and a bit of dizziness, but it passed within a few hours. Surprisingly, I felt more energetic by the initial adjustment. Day 2. This was the most challenging day, as my hunger pangs were at their peak. However, I managed to stay focused and made it through. Day 3. By this day, my body had adjusted to the fast. I didn't feel hungry or lightheaded anymore. It was almost as if my body had become used to it. After breaking my fast with a hydrating soup and some healthy greens on day 4, here are some noticeable changes I've seen. Improved sleep quality, healthier skin, and even weight loss a bonus. I must thank all of you for your support during this journey. Remember, everyone's experience may differ, so consult your healthcare professional before embarking on any fasting journey. Stay tuned for more fitness updates, and don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more fun content. Thanks for watching.